Hi my homely family, I have prepared a video for you, which I love to watch on other channels. This is the organization of the fridge. I hope this will give you a lot of satisfaction, joy and motivation. Don't forget to leave a comment, give me a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. As you can see, my fridge was not a mess, but it required deep cleaning. I think that each of us should clean our fridge thoroughly from time to time. After all, this is the place where we constantly store the food. Let's jump into it! I started the whole process by unpacking everything outside, placing it on the countertop next to it. For this type of cleaning, I use the rule: pull everything out, deep clean it, and arrange everything again. I can't imagine cleaning when things are inside. It's not handy, hinders work, and for me it just causes clutter and confusion. Due to the fact that I have a small sink, I divided all the internal components of the refrigerator into parts. First, I took out the containers that hang on the door and allocated them to wash. I washed the fridge door with a wet microfiber cloth and then dried it out with a dry cloth. Then I spread the kitchen towels next to the sink to make room for work. Then I started washing the containers. First with water and washing liquid, then rinsed and pulled them on dry cloth and let to dry. When the containers dry up a little, I took another dry cloth and whipped them off until they were completely dry. Believe me, during this cleaning the fridge, I used a lot of dry cloth. And I repeated the act of taking out the containers, washing them, drying them, washing the fridge inside until all the elements were totally clean. When everything was clean, I started arranging things back, sorting in advance what is suitable for the fridge and what needs to be moved to another place or thrown away. Along the way, I arranged the cheese and sausages in a tightly closed container. I poured filtered water into a water bottle and threw ice cube inside. I always try to keep a liter of water in the fridge and a liter of boiled water in a kettle in the event of power outage. This is a trick for you so that you always remember about the water supply. I don't use a bottled water for ecological reasons, and the water in the place where I live is very good and safe to drink, so I have many benefits from using the filter. In addition, I save money. And this is how it looks after 1 hour of work. I am satisfied with the effect. At the time I was recording the video, I didn't have the bottles that I ordered especially for this video and for organization of the fridge. So milk and juice were left in cartons. However, on my Insta you can see what a fridge with glass bottles looks like. Thank you for your time, for watching it to the end. I am glad that you are with me, and thank you very much for supporting under recent films. Don't forget to leave your thumbs up, share this video on your social media, click subscribe button and enter my Insta. I give content almost every day. Just check it. And that's it for now. See you soon. Love ya. Bye.